Aslamo-alaikum dear students. Today our lesson is about DNA to protein. So cell is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Each cell have a nucleus which is present in the center of the cell, and each nucleus have a genome. So what is genome? The complete set of genes or genetic material present in a nucleus or organism is known as genome. In humans, the genome is divided into 23 pairs of chromosomes. Each chromosomes have a long strand of DNA which is tightly bonded with a protein known as histone. So what is histone? A protein around which DNA coils to form chromatin. Without histone, DNA could not organize into chromosomes. So histone is the backbone of the DNA to convert into chromosomes. Within the DNA, there is a section which is known as gene, which have the instructions of the DNA to form a protein. So a gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity. Genes are made up of DNA. Some genes act as instructions to make molecule called protein. However, many genes do not code for protein. In humans, genes vary in size from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 2 billion bases. So when a gene is switched on, the RNA polymerase, which is an enzyme attached to the start of the gene, it moves along the strand of the DNA to form the massive stranded messenger RNA in the nucleus. So the DNA make a code for the messenger RNA by the free bases present in the nucleus to make a new messenger RNA, and that is a process which is known as transcription. So the basic definition of the transcription is that the process by which DNA makes messenger RNA is known as transcription. So it make a template to make protein, which is processed to by addition and removal of the template. Then the messenger RNA moves out from the nucleus and goes into the cytoplasm, where the protein factory, which is known as ribosomes, attached to the messenger RNA. The ribosome decodes the pattern present in the messenger RNA to produce different types of amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acids in this cell. The amino acids are transferred by the transfer RNA. The messenger RNA reads the 3 bases at a time present on the transfer RNA, and the transfer RNA deliver its amino acids to the growing chain of the amino acids. When last one of the amino acids chain is finished, the amino acid goes and convert into a complex form, 3D complex form shape, which is known as protein. So that process is known as translation. So what is basic definition of translation? Translation refers to the process of creating protein from an messenger RNA template. So thanks for watching, students. We met in our next lecture with new video.